Here's a great way to make a bacon burger. With bacon in the cast iron pan first, cooking away. Add the burger in the bacon fat. Don't overcook the burger, please. Add the burger and the bacon to the bun. Add some mustard, maybe ranch sauce. Leave the bacon fat in the pan. Add your diced potatoes. Everything tastes like bacon. This burger right now is on the rare side, so pay attention. Please do not overcook the beef. Medium rare, please. Bacon, bacon fat, potatoes. Great for a summertime lunch or dinner.